So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book pet-friendly hotels here on kayak.com. So once kayak.com is opened up, what I want you to do is to go ahead and press on stays, then press a destination. So for this demonstration, how about I just use New York City? Press your dates, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're on the search page right here, if you want to make sure that the hotels you're looking for are, I guess, pet friendly, go to the top to where it says there's a bunch of different filters right here. Go to where it says amenities right here, or to go where it says filters. But we're just going to go ahead and press on amenities just like this. We're then going to scroll down to where it says amenities, and we're going to keep scrolling down all the way to the bottom to where it says pet friendly. Make sure that pet friendly is selected, and then press on apply. Now what you're seeing right here is a refined search that shows you guys listings for hotels that are considered to be pet friendly. So you can go ahead, select a hotel. It'll take you to another page where you can go ahead and select your booking that is pet friendly. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book pet friendly hotels on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.